Okay, as you rightly said, PIQ forms the basis of your interview. There are two forms which generally a candidate fills when he is in stage 2 of his SSB, wherein he will fill forms, PIQ forms. One form goes to the psychologist, another form goes to the interview officer.
Right, sir.
While filling up the PIQ itself, there is one briefing officer who will guide you through the filling up of the PIQ form so that you make the minimum mistakes. Even though there is complete briefing given, people at times tend to make mistakes in terms of whatever they feel when they write there. It is their personal information which they are now sharing with us.
Right, sir.
Okay, so this forms the heart or basis of your interview.
Right.
If we talk about interview. So looking at the PIQ, I can generally make an impression about the candidate who's likely to walk in for the interview.
Right.
Like his height, weight, everything is written there. The games and sports that he has
Right,
played, also his educational records. So basic mistakes, as you said, what are the likely mistakes which can happen is one, if I can point it out, is record about the knowing about parents' income.
Right.
For example, I'll tell you there is a column which says income per month.
Right.
At times, students come up with the answer saying that parents have not disclosed the income.
Right.
So I don't know the exact income. Or probably they might say that I know annual income, but I don't know monthly income.
Correct.
So which is again a lame excuse as far as we are concerned, because if you know the annual income, the only thing that you need to do is divide it by 12 and write the average income of per month.
Right.
Similarly, when you talk about the educational record, when we talk about the percentage scored in various exams, we write about the classes.
Right, sir.
And the percentage scored in each class. Wherein people, it is clearly mentioned that you need to write your percentage, exact percentage. But generally people keep writing the grading.
Correct.
Or CGPA or whatever they have got in their class.
Right, sir.
Rather than converting it, which is again very easy, it is given in the mark sheet itself how to convert, which is the correct method of doing it, and they need to be prepared beforehand or probably calculate and then give the correct answer.
Right.
So they gave up on that also and write the grading instead of writing the percentage.
Right, sir.
Okay. These are two mistakes. Then about outstanding achievements, if any.
Correct.
In that, while we talk about academic record, they also try and write something which they have achieved in the same class. For example, he was class monitor or school captain or probably football captain in class 10th or 12th or something similar which he has achieved in school. So he may write this in academic record, which is not correct. There are separate columns which are there for everything to be written.
Right.
So these things can be avoided.
Right.
While giving briefing, these are also mentioned that there is a column and write that in that column only.
Right, sir.
Like position of responsibilities, there is a column where you can write about your being a class monitor, school captain, or probably some role in position of responsibility in NCC, scouting. So there is a column for everything.
Correct.
So you need to be clear about writing the correct thing in the correct box.
So as I said, sir, you see a lot of people writing grading ke andar, they're writing sports, they're writing everything. So that is something that
needs to be avoided.